how to remove MasterCard from Facebook. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can remove MasterCard from Facebook. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Facebook app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to this page. Now, in the Facebook app, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture, so just go ahead and click on that. Next thing that you want to do is just scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. After that, look for Order and Payments and click on it. Over here, you can see the Payments Methods option. So just go ahead and click on that. After that, you have to just click on your card. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. Over here, you have to just scroll down and at the bottom you will see Remove Card option. So just go ahead and click on that. Now just click on Remove. Now you can see that the MasterCard has been removed from Facebook. So that's how you can remove MasterCard from Facebook. That's all for this video.